Alright guys, it's just a quick one, an update on the Strada. Two-wheel drive, film me one hand again. Two-wheel drive issues fixed. After doing that gravel run with it and off-roading, basically I had to get that car a full strip down. All my bearings sounded like they'd washed up on a beach. It was basically full of grit. I bathed them in WD-40 overnight. I put some grease in there, like copper grease, it's anti-seize stuff. I've caked them in that, I've put them back in, and see, it's sounding really smooth again. Before, it sounded like it was just crunching grit, like it was horrible. But just some little runs, but like I said, I'm just out to test it. I wasn't going to film, but I'm quite happy with the results of what happened. Well, I'll try and keep it there. I'm filming one hand. Oh, it's hard. It's hard to drive this with one hand. So that's just like a quarter throttle now. Or it runs when it wants to. It's not stupidly fast, but it's really quite cool. It's really light. I didn't want to go in any dirt. Got some torque twisting it out. Battery's low on the phone. As you can see, smash at the front as well. It's held up. You can hear the fan as well. I think there must be something in there. But yeah, guys, it was just a quick one. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers, guys. Bye.